In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a marketing dashboard in Hubspot. Setting up a marketing dashboard can significantly enhance how you track and analyze your marketing campaigns, providing you with essential insights into performance and success metrics. Whether you're aiming to keep an eye on key indicators or present data in a digestible format for stakeholders, this guide will walk you through the process in just 5 minutes. So let's dive in. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Hubspot homepage. Open up your web browser and type in hubspot.com. Once the page loads, you're looking at a gateway to comprehensive business tools designed for marketing, sales, and more. Next, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the page. Here you'll find a login button. Go ahead and give that a click. If you're not already logged into your Hubspot account, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have access to your account details. It's pretty much the gateway to harnessing the power of dashboards within the platform. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot homepage. This is where all the magic happens. A simple, clean interface will greet you with a range of options tailored to help you manage your business needs. Now it's time to navigate to the reporting section. This is a crucial step as it lays the foundation for your dashboard creation. Look for the reporting tab, which should be easily accessible within the menu options displayed. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click to open up a more detailed view. Within the reporting section, direct your attention to the dashboards option. This is where you can begin managing or creating the dashboard you desire. Click on dashboards to proceed to the dedicated area for your dashboard related activities. Once you're in the dashboard section, you'll see an option to create a dashboard. Click this to initiate the process of building a new dashboard. It's an intuitive process and provides you with multiple options to ensure your dashboard reflects the data you prioritize. After clicking Create Dashboard, the next step involves selecting the type of dashboard you want. Our focus today is on crafting a marketing dashboard, so simply click on Marketing. This choice will tailor your dashboard to fit various marketing performance metrics, making it simpler to track efforts or strategize your next campaign. And there you have it, a straightforward and swift guide to creating a marketing dashboard in HubSpot. You've now set up a convenient way to monitor your marketing campaigns, ensuring all your crucial data is at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in making data-driven decisions effortless. Don't forget to explore further customization options HubSpot offers, enabling you to tweak the dashboard to reflect exactly what you need. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or require further guidance. Happy dashboarding!